Welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a little design on my left hand. So I'm going to be using Madam Glam's Groupie and Madam Glam's Rock and Blue. Now these two was out the August collection, which was named School of Rock. So these are the only two that I've not used out of that collection what I've got. So I wanted to put a little design together and get it done on my left hand, because my left hand is looking rather shabby. So I'm going to start off by applying a coat of the Madam Glam's base coat. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Right, so I'm going to start off by applying a coat of the Madam Glam's Groupie. And I'm going to apply that on my thumb, my index and my middle finger. The other two are not going to have this on. Always remember, guys, to cap the free edge. Now I'm using the Madam Glam's Rock and Blue, and this is one of the reflective gels. That gorgeous, I love that. And then I'm going to do a bit of a glitter fade on my middle fingernail and my thumb. I'm just going to give that a flash cure so it doesn't move about. And then I'm just going to do the same again on my thumb. So now I'm going to be doing some transfer foil on my ring finger. So I'm using the Makartt foil glue gel. I'm going to apply a nice even coat of this foil glue onto this nail. And make sure you get right up them edges as well, else the foil's not going to stick. Now it does say to cure this for 30 seconds, but I find in my lamp 45 seconds is actually better, so I'm going to cure it for 45 seconds. And now I'm going to stick this onto the nail exactly where I want it. So I want to line it up before I let it touch that nail. So that is the foil nail done. So now I want to tie this nail in with it. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to do the Louis Vuitton symbols but using the reflective gel, but I'm not sure you're going to be able to see it that well. So I'm thinking put some of these down first and then go over these with the reflective gel. And I think it's just going to make them a little bit more raised, and I think you're going to be able to notice them more. That's the plan anyway. So I'm going to stick a couple of these on first.
Up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's
So I'm going to pop some of this rock and blue on my palette. Detailer brush. See, I'm not keen about this cuticle area bit where it's not very neat, so I'm thinking maybe put some of this just to hide it a little bit, you know. There we are, guys. That looks better, doesn't it? I like to say, if it looks shit, stick some glitter on it. yeah, it just covers up some of them bits that's not transferred properly. There we go. So I'm just going to quickly cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now I'm just going to finish these off with the Madam Glam's top coat. I'm going to give these a wipe off with a lint-free wipe and some isopropyl alcohol, because this Madam Glam shiny top coat is a top coat that cures with a tacky layer, if you're wondering why I'm giving them a wipe. There we go, look at them bad boys, how cute are they? I think I might give this one a little buff and then go over it again with the top coat, because it's a little bit lumpy bumpy. All the others are fine, it's just that one. So I'm just going to give that a quick buff and then give it another coat of top coat, and then we'll come back and have a look at them. So there we are, guys. What do you think? I think they're really, really cute. Look at that reflective glitter shining in that flash. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So pretty. I love it. Let's see what it looks like without this flash on. So even without the flash, it is still super glittery. Still really pretty, but even prettier with the flash on. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So there we are, guys. That is my left hand finally done. So today we use the Madam Glam's base coat, the Madam Glam's shiny top coat, Rockin' Blue, which is out of the School of Glam collection, which is the reflective glitter, Groupie, which is also out of the School of Glam collection, and we used the Makartt foil glue gel. So there we are, guys. What do you think? Do you like them? Are they your sort of design? Are they not? Now, I do quite like that baby blue, sky blue sort of colour, but not on my nails. But I really like them. I really like them. And I'm just loving this reflective glitter at the minute. I've got so many different ideas I want to try with this reflective glitter. I'm pleased also that I put these black stickers down underneath, because I don't think you would have made out what they were if they didn't have the black stickers on. So I'm pleased I did that. But yeah, I really like them. I'm a bit disappointed with this foil, but it wasn't the foil. I think it is the glue gel. I just think I've got a lot more practicing to do with this glue gel, to be honest, guys. Because I hear so many people raving about this Makartt foil glue, and I still can't get it to work perfect. Some foils I can, some foils I can't. And this was one of them that obviously I can't. But hey ho. I kind of fixed it a bit. So yeah, that's everything for this video, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these. I am loving them. Also, you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen, there is a 30% discount code for you guys to use, GG30. To use that discount code, go into my description box or my comments. I'll also pin it in the comments as well. You'll find my personal link to Madam Glam's website. You click the link, place your order, and at checkout enter GG30 to get your 30% discount. Also, Madam Glam do a VIP membership. If anyone's interested in joining the VIP membership, then head on over to the website, again through the link in my description box, and you'll get all the information that you need on that on their website. I just want to remind you all as well, Madam Glam gel polishes are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and henna free. So they are pretty much good for everyone to use. And they are just an absolute dream to work with. You can see how creamy and opaque these are. I'm really enjoying working with these at the moment. So yeah, that's everything for this video, I think, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.